Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. Also a student and presentation making make you exhausted. So here I present to you AI presentation marker where you can make presentation in just few minutes. Yes, where it took you hours to make presentations, here you can make presentations in just few minutes. So let's go. So here we have opened the website called Miricanvas where you can make presentations with the help of AI tool. So here let's go. Here for starting you have to create an account first. So click on start for free. Here you can use your Apple ID, your Google ID, your Facebook ID and all that. So here I'm choosing my Google ID to continue. Now here you can see that our account has been created. Now here you can see that it's free, no payment and other tools. Now here you can also see the designs. Here they have presentations, poster, YouTube design, Instagram design, business cards, logos and all that. You can create all these in Miricanvas for free. So here first you have to choose your design, what type of designs you are making. Then you have to select your favorite template here. Here you can see different templates. You can select any template here. Now here in the right you can see all the templates. Here you can see presentation templates, cards templates and poster templates. Now here if you scroll down then you can see the option here presentation with AI. This is what we are looking for. So simply click on presentations with AI. Here you can paste your content and here you can also start with topics. So here I'm starting with the topics. So let's go. Click on start with topic here. For creating presentation you will need a topic and you have to select here pages. So here for pages simply click on the pages. Here you can see minimum 6 and maximum 30 pages and you can select here as many pages as you want. And here you can see all these options. Now here for a topic you have to explain your topic in one sentence. I am writing here smoking and its effects. Now simply click on create outline. Now here you can see that it will take up to 20 seconds, just 20 seconds. Now here you can see the outline. Here you can see your cover page name and you can see your second page, third page and 4-page content. Here you can see what will be on these pages and you can add it if you want any changes in this content. Here you can see that. Here you can see that the third page include introduction of smoking. Here the fourth page include health risks associated with smoking and all that. Here you can also edit these things if you want to, and if you're okay then simply click on select template here. And here I have selected this template. You can see this template here that I have selected. Here you can see all about this template. Here are the content, pictures and text are added by AI. Here you can see how much better this presentation has been made by this AI in just few seconds. Here you can see all about it. Now here you can also download by simply clicking on this download option on the top. Here you have to select the format where you want a GP, PDF and whatever. And after that you can download the file and then here you can also add different animations. Here you can see the animate option. Here you can add different animations. Here they are teaching us how you can do that. Here you can split and you can also shorter the length of any page if you want to, and you can longer the length of other page if you want to. Here you can also see their animates and you can see the text, photo, uploads, project, different options as well here. And on templates you can find all the templates. And that was all about how you can make AI presentation with the help of AI presentation marker. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.